So let's discuss about control statements. Control statements are kinds of two types. One is decision statements, and the second one is looping statements. And in the decision statements, we are having if statement, if else statement, and if else if else statement, and finally switch statement. Okay, so when it comes to looping, we are having while loop, do while, and for loop, do while loop, while loop. Okay, so what is this decision statement and what is this looping statements? Why do we require it? Okay, so these decision statements are very much useful when you want to take a decision. Okay, when you want to take a decision which set of code to be executed. For example, so there are statements like there is statement, statement 1, and there is statement B. So this is statement code 1, for example, code 2, code 3. Okay, now you want to select, sometimes you want to select code 1 and sometimes you want to select code 2 based on a decision, based on a condition. Okay, so in that case, when you want to select a set of statements than other statements, okay, so you have to apply decision statements. Okay, when you want to select between, you want to select one of them, either code 1 or code 2 or code 2 or code 3. Okay, so in this case you have to apply a condition and you have to choose either execute code 1 or code 2. Okay, so when you want to take a decision, so you have to apply decision statement. Okay, and when it comes to looping statement, you want to execute a statement multiple times. You want to execute a statement multiple times. Okay, for example, you want to print 1 to 100 statements. Okay, sys out. Okay, 1. So you want to print, you want to execute this statement 100 times. Okay, so you'll be getting 100 ones. Okay, so this is called looping statements. When you want to repeat set of statements multiple times, when you want to execute a statement multiple times, so that's where you'll be using the looping statements. Okay, so right now you just remember what is decision statement and what is looping statement. Decision statement is to decide which statement to be executed out of many, and looping statements are used to execute a statement or set of statements multiple times. Okay, so in our next class we are going to see what is if else and all those stuff, and clearly one by one. Okay, so thanks.